Filmora versus Descript. Which video editing tool wins? Choosing the right video editor can transform your content creation without wasting time or struggling with complexity. Filmora offers intuitive editing while Descript focuses on script-based workflows. Filmora and Descript are popular video editing tools but serve different needs. Filmora is a traditional timeline editor with powerful visual effects, while Descript centers on text-based editing and transcription, making the core difference how you interact with your video content. Filmora is a user-friendly video editor designed for creators who want quick, polished results. It works by providing a timeline interface where users can drag and drop clips, add transitions, effects, and overlays. Its strengths include a wide range of built-in effects, easy-to-use tools, and support for 4K video. Filmora also offers features like color correction, audio editing, and motion tracking, making it versatile for various projects. However, it may not be ideal for highly detailed or professional-grade editing workflows that require advanced customization. Filmora is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to produce visually appealing videos without a steep learning curve. Descript is a unique video editor that focuses on editing through text. It transcribes your video automatically, allowing you to edit the transcript to make changes to the video itself. This approach simplifies cutting, rearranging, and refining content, especially for interviews, tutorials, and podcasts. Descript includes features like overdub, screen recording, and multi-track editing, enhancing its flexibility. Its strengths lie in rapid content iteration and collaboration, but it may lack the depth of visual effects and timeline control found in traditional editors. Descript suits creators who prioritize script-based editing and content repurposing over complex visual effects, making it ideal for podcasters, educators, and marketers. Filmora excels in visual creativity with its timeline editing, perfect for projects needing detailed effects and transitions. It's best when you want full control over video aesthetics. Descript shines in content-driven editing where text accuracy and quick revisions matter, such as podcasts or tutorials. The trade-off is between Filmora's richer visual toolkit and Descript's streamlined text-based workflow. If you need traditional editing with effects, Filmora wins. If your focus is on fast, script-based editing and collaboration, Descript is the better choice. Both tools serve distinct workflows, so selecting one depends on your project's priorities. Choose Filmora if you want an accessible, feature-rich video editor focused on visual effects, transitions, and straightforward timeline control for polished videos. Descript is the best pick for creators who prioritize editing through text and transcription, enabling fast revisions and collaboration. It's ideal for content creators focused on storytelling and spoken word rather than complex visual editing. Your choice depends on how